Have you ever thought about the profound impact customer reviews have on your HVAC business? Reviews are often the lifeblood for companies in this industry, driving credibility and attracting new clients. Unfortunately, many HVAC businesses struggle to gather enough positive feedback, which can hinder growth and opportunity. If you're not actively seeking reviews, you may be missing out on a unique opportunity to build trust and expand your reach. Imagine a steady stream of testimonials enhancing your reputation while you focus on what you do best, providing excellent service. Developing a strategic approach to encourage customers to share their positive experiences can significantly elevate your business, setting you apart in a competitive market.
To discover effective strategies for boosting your HVAC reviews and reaping the benefits of an enhanced reputation, call 503-389-5807 now. Learn more and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching.